A pod of 7 killer whales became stranded on a sandbar near Australia's Fraser Island on Tuesday. Immediately, a rescue operation tried to keep the whales hydrated and help them back into deeper water. 5 of the whales managed to swim free at high tide, but the other 2, a mother and her calf, died earlier in the day. A marine veterinarian will now take blood samples from the deceased whales to see if they beached themselves due to poor health. The pod was in Queensland waters as part of the annual whale migration, where they often hunt the young of migrating humpback whales.